You cannot invest if you don't save.
हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। दिस इज चीफ इंजीनियर प्रणीत मेहता। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड। मेरे साथ बैठे हैं चीफ इंजीनियर राजीव कौशिक सर। हम लोगों को बैंक्स में जाइए बहुत सारे गाइड्स मिल जाएंगे, बट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर अ सी फेयर आई हैव हार्डली नोन एनी बडी बेटर देन हिम। और आई एम वेरी लकी कि ये मेरे भी मेंटर रह चुके हैं 2017 से। दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई मेट हिम। So sir, coming just from the very basics, we are putting this another part of the video series, and that is, sir, I have heard about savings, I have heard about investment. Sir, as per you, what is the basic difference between savings and investment?
Largely, both the terms are actually used very irreplaceably, but in my opinion, there is a stark difference.
So there's a big difference.
There's a big difference. Whatever in India we have been doing for last, I would say, 2000 years at least, that is the history of money that I have read in India. Everybody has been saving. Even I would say that the ladies in the house, they always had some money of their own. So that is why the definitions which I am going to tell you now is the definitions that I have formed. These definitions are not very clear in economics as I have read, but I could not find a better way. So in my opinion, for a particular country, the money which is coming into the house or in the family, and part of it which is kept, whether it is kept under the pillow, it is kept hidden, or it is kept in a piggy bank by your children, it stays in the rupee form, in the money, or in America it is in dollars form. So if the money stays in its form, whether inside the house or in the bank or in a fixed deposit, it remains as that currency. So in my opinion, if it remains in that currency and whether it earns any interest or not, so in that case, all that money is savings, because you can use it any time in that form. So that money which is staying in rupees, it is savings. In my definition, anything where you get an assured return is not investment.
Okay.
In my definition, when the money is used to buy some asset, let's call it gold, let's call it a house, let's call it land, let's call it a mutual fund unit, let's call it a share, anything, it has changed form.
Yeah, money से change हो गया।
The day आपने एक फॉर्म भर के वो चीज़ खरीदी है, it has changed form. Now it has become land worth 1 crore, house worth 2 crores. You cannot use that money overnight. So that will become investments.
Okay, great.
You cannot invest if you don't save.
हाँ, you cannot invest if you don't save. तो पहले तो सेविंग ज़रूरी है।